Looking for pockets of silver that have crazy value today is getting a little harder. But there's one pocket that we got a little left in inventory that we get to spend a few more minutes tonight before the prices change. Let's take a peek. It's called the last silver Kennedys because everybody believes they pulled silver from Kennedys in 1964. The answer is they did not. They pulled silver from Kennedys in 1970. The first year of copper nickel was 1971. So between the years 65 and 69, they made one coin per year in silver. Now the dimes and the quarters, they went to copper clad right away. But the silvers took a little bit more time. Well, they're known as the last of the silvers, PPPDD, and then that last one, the 7DD, was only in the mint sets. This is a complete collection available of the 5 that were made.
Now, just to clarify, a lot of times when we bring out these bonanzas, we say $35 a piece, and if you buy all 5 at $35, you'll get all 5. This is actually all 5 for $35. So it's a one price of $35. You get all 5 coins. The dates you see, 65, 66, 67. There you go. There's that reverse design right there, the Butterfield Kennedy $50. And then ending with the 68.
D, 69D.
And the 69D.
And it's kind of interesting how they did this. The first 3 years were P mints, the last 3 years were D mints, and then 71 we started P's and D's all over again. It was just a great, great run on these. So if you turn the coin sideways, they're silver. These are not copper clads.
Right, you don't see that brown
sandwich,
look
so to speak,
in the reeds of the coin.
Absolutely. Our competition's 21, 95, 1990. Coin by coin through the process. The premium's on the 65, which is the rarer of the group. And again, as reference, if you work with us tonight on the 5 for 35 deal, we're guaranteeing you the collection. Not 5 random coins from the 5 years these silvers were in circulation. We're going to give you the actual 5 coins. That's the special deal we have tonight.
That's $7 per coin. You just referenced our competition is anywhere between 19, upwards of $21.95 per coin. That's about $100 for these same 5 coins. We're $64 less. At $35, you get the 5 silver Kennedys at $7 per coin. Each will be individually encapsulated. They'll come to you in a nice presentation pouch for storage. And multiples, yeah, absolutely. If you want to stock up on these, the special pocket of silver Kennedys from this date range only, multiples of 35, you'll get those exact dates in multiples.
Yeah, so again, if you're buying, if you're looking to put a roll of these together, right, where our competition for a roll is going to be over 400, right, because that's give or take $20 a coin times 20 coins equals 400. We're 5 for 35. So 70 is a half roll, 140 is a full roll. It will be groups of 5. It'll be 65, 6 and 7, 68D, 69D. Times 2, times 3, times 4, as it works for you. So where others are talking about these special secret silver Kennedys, which is one of the other phrases that's out there in the industry, the secret silver Kennedys, you're not going to get the earlier years. They tell you the span they were made, but they don't guarantee the earlier years. We guarantee the earlier years. You are getting the 65, 66, 67s, the 68D, 69D. Those are the 5 years they made them for circulation. You're getting all of them in our bundle here tonight.
avccoins.com, everybody. That is the website to order online, open 24/7. Not just during show hours. You could visit that website anytime. But if you're calling in and the phones are busy or you're waiting on hold and just want to get back to the show, feel free to pop online. Phones, tablets, laptops, etc. avccoins.com. The item number for this one, this 5 for 35, is 905-5105. The deal is you'll get 5 silver Kennedys, the last of the silvers, for just $35, and you're guaranteed 65, 66, 67, and 68 and 69. This is not a mixed bag opportunity. It is exactly those dates. 65, 6, and 7 are Phillies. 68 and 69 are Denvers. They're all in this deal.
Now, you want to know the funny inside story? Because I was reading an article a few weeks back on the transition for the U.S. Mint on coinage. You know the reason why they made only one coin per year? Was when silver was pulled, the 90% silver was pulled from dimes and quarters in 64, right? And went to copper clad in 65. They thought if they made only one coin per year, it would spur collectors from hoarding all the silver coins.
I have a feeling it did the opposite.
I'm just thinking, who wrote that? Seriously,
let's make
if
it so
the value
special
of
so
if the
people don't want
value
them.
of silver is above the face value of the coin, why would we want to give it back to you for the face value of the coin?
Right.
And that's why it's like, seriously. So they thought, I guess the answer was we're going to collect one coin versus two coins, right? Or three coins, because there was no proof set or uncirculated sets in 65, 66, and 67. Those are the SMSs only. Phones are very busy right now. Thank you all for joining us. Guys, we got to put a 1-minute clock up. This one's a fun one, but it's going away quickly. We only had X number of rolls of 65s available, and for us, that's the linchpin. If we don't have 65s, we can't offer we could offer the deal, but not the way we're talking about the deal tonight. And that is, it's going to be the 5 is our 5 for only 35.
Right, not random dates, and you may get a 65. It's guaranteed each one of these 5 dates, 65, 66, 67. Those are the Phillies, 68 and 69. Those are the Denvers. They're uncirculated. They're silvers. It's the last of the silver Kennedys.
Now, you might have seen some of our competitors as well. I mean, everybody loves this coin. It's a great story. It's an affordable silver Kennedy, right? And they had an opportunity where they were in the mid-teens. I think it was $17.95 for one, $14.95 for 5 or more. When you got to a roll, they got to $12.95. And they matched our price at $7 a coin. You know how many coins you had to buy? 100. You can buy one deal with us tonight for $35, and it's $7 a coin. And if you would like to buy multiples, we're going to say thank you, no different than we're saying thank you for buying the one. We appreciate it, love it, but it is time for us to be moving on.